Welcome to our journey through the mysterious and thought-provoking book of Habakkuk. Imagine a conversation with an ancient prophet, one who's not afraid to question the world around him. That's exactly what we find in Habakkuk, chapters 1 to 3, a compelling dialogue between the prophet and God. In chapter 1, Habakkuk faces a troubling reality. He's perplexed by the rampant injustice and violence among his people. "How long, Lord, must I call for help, but you do not listen?" Habakkuk 1:2. This sets the stage for his honest questioning. God's response? The Chaldeans, a brutal nation, will rise to execute judgment. This leaves Habakkuk bewildered. Why would God use an even more wicked nation to punish his people? Moving to chapter 2, we find Habakkuk on his watchtower, eager for God's answer. Here we're introduced to the famous verse, "The righteous person will live by his faithfulness." Habakkuk 2:4. God assures Habakkuk that the wicked will not escape justice. Through a series of woes, God outlines the fate of the proud, the greedy, and the violent. It's a reminder that divine justice, although sometimes slow, is inevitable. And finally, chapter 3, a powerful prayer filled with awe and reverence. Habakkuk recalls God's mighty deeds, his past victories, and pledges to rejoice in the Lord despite tribulations. "Though the fig tree does not bud and there are no grapes on the vines, yet I will rejoice in the Lord. I will be joyful in God my Savior." Habakkuk 3:17-18. It's a remarkable expression of faith and trust in God's sovereignty. Through Habakkuk's honest wrestlings, we learn to embrace both our questions and our faith. It reminds us that it's okay to seek understanding and still hold on to hope. As you reflect on Habakkuk's journey, consider your own questions and how faith can lead you to peace amidst uncertainty.